The most overlooked step when it comes to hormone balance is getting quality sleep. Sleep is vital for hormone regulation, reducing stress, and also cellular repair, which are all crucial for fertility. Melatonin is a key hormone that is made while you sleep and plays a significant role when it comes to improving your egg quality. The lack of sleep has been shown in research to be a major stressor, and when your body recognizes a core biological need not being met, it's going to be impacting your ability to reproduce and also negatively impact your menstrual cycle. My name is Julia, and I'm a fertility nutrition consultant and a hormone holistic health coach with a bachelor's in nutrition, and I am here to help you embody food-first approach for balanced hormones, improved fertility, and also better periods. Now, before you reach for that melatonin supplement to help you sleep, I want you to remember that there are actually certain foods that help produce this hormone. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that is found in certain foods that helps produce melatonin, which is the hormone that helps manage your sleep-wake cycle and also your circadian rhythm. Tryptophan is found the highest in protein-rich foods like chicken, turkey, eggs, and wild-caught salmon, but it's also going to be found in foods like oats, pumpkin seeds, and also almonds. Melatonin is naturally found in foods as well, like tart cherries being the most concentrated, and also pistachios and goji berries. While you should avoid eating a large meal before you go to bed, it's still really important to make sure you're eating a balanced, nutrient-rich dinner that includes complex carbohydrates, protein, and also healthy fats. The main reason why people wake up in the middle of the night is because of low blood sugar, and this is why eating a balanced, nutrient-rich dinner is going to be so important to prioritize in the evening. If you are someone who eats dinner around 5 p.m. every night and doesn't go to bed until 9 or 10, it is going to be important to make sure you're consuming a balanced, nutrient-rich snack, as this can also help promote sleep. Your balanced snack does not need to be big, but it should be high in protein, tryptophan, and also melatonin. Some examples of snacks is going to be tart cherries with some almonds, goji berries with pistachios, or even a small bowl of oatmeal with grass-fed collagen for protein, some blueberries and walnuts, and also a side of turkey or maybe a hard-boiled egg. Avoid drinking caffeine or alcohol in the evening. While it may feel like that glass of wine is helping you unwind, it actually leads to disrupted sleep in the long run. Consider opting for an herbal tea to help promote relaxation and reduce your stress, like chamomile or lavender tea. Another option is to take 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate. This mineral helps with relaxing your muscles and also helps you wind down for sleep. Using a fan or white noise machine can also help mask disruptive noises, which can help you have a better sleep environment. Your routine around sleep is going to be just as important as what you eat. Establishing a sleep routine can help improve your hormone balance and circadian rhythm, while also helping you fall asleep faster and easier. Start by creating an optimal sleep environment, so making sure your room is dark, cool, and also quiet. This is when blackout curtains, a noise machine, earplugs, and a fan can come in handy, and also making sure that you have a comfy mattress and also pillows to help with your spinal alignment. Next is to avoid electronics at least an hour before bed. This tends to be the most difficult for people, including myself. It is very easy to just scroll on your phone for an hour before you go to bed, but because most of us are watching politics, scrolling social media, looking at emails, this is gonna cause way more stimulation and stress for our brains and making it more difficult to fall asleep. Aside from the brain stimulation and stress, electronics also are going to emit blue light, which actually prevent the production of melatonin. Next is to try to be as consistent as possible with your sleep schedule. So this means trying to go to bed and wake up at the same time on the weekdays as you are on the weekends. You're waking up at 5 a.m. on the weekdays and waking up at 9 a.m. on the weekends, and you're struggling with sleep, this could be something that you may want to switch up. Create an optimal sleep routine. While this can be different for everyone, it should be a routine that helps you unwind. For example, taking a warm bath, maybe reading a book, or even stretching or doing some meditation. All of these can help you unwind and prepare for a good quality sleep. While doing yoga, stretches, or even going on a walk before bed isn't going to be harmful for your sleep quality, making sure that you avoid intense exercise is going to be really important. This is because intense exercise can actually increase cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and this is going to be blocking melatonin, which helps you sleep. If you are someone who tends to wake up in the middle of the night, it's going to be really important to make sure you're not turning on the lights, looking at your phone, or also looking at a clock, as this is going to make it harder for you to fall back to sleep. If you are someone who struggles sleeping at nighttime and you tend to do more naps throughout the day, this can be a harmful cycle to get into. So if you do fall into that bucket, make sure if you are napping, just limit it to 20 to 30 minutes so you aren't messing with your nighttime sleep. Something else to consider avoiding if you want to have better sleep quality is to avoid hitting the snooze button. Many times we hit the snooze button and then we just end up feeling way more groggy throughout the day. It's also messing with our circadian rhythm. So if you want to have better sleep, maybe consider not hitting the snooze and just staying up if you already woke up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you do something in particular that helps you with having a better quality sleep, make sure to drop it in the comments below. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get notifications on when new videos are being released. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.